In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Turbotax account using the Turbotax app. Whether you're a returning user or accessing Turbotax for the first time this tax season, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step to ensure you're signed in and ready to manage your taxes hassle-free. First, you want to open your preferred web browser. It's always a good idea to use the latest version of your browser to ensure compatibility and security when accessing websites like Turbotax. Once your browser is open, type in turbotax.intuit.com into the address bar and press enter. This will take you directly to the official Turbotax website. The homepage provides links to different services and products offered by Turbotax, but our main focus today is accessing your personal account. Once you are on the Turbotax homepage, look towards the upper right side of the screen. You will see a button labelled Sign In. Go ahead and click on this button. It's designed to quickly take you to the page where you can enter your login details. If at any point you're having trouble locating the Sign In button, remember that websites sometimes update their layout, but it's generally at the top right corner. After clicking Sign In, you should see fields where you can enter your login credentials, your username or email address, and your password. This is the email and password combination you set up when you first created your Turbotax account. Carefully enter this information. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check your caps lock key is off to avoid any typing errors. Once you've entered your login details, click on the button that says Sign In or similar wording. This will submit your credentials and should redirect you to your Turbotax home. Here you can access all the features and tools Turbotax provides to file and manage your taxes. If you encounter any issues logging in, like a forgotten password, there should be a link nearby to help you recover it, often labelled Forgot Password. By clicking it, Turbotax will guide you through the process of resetting your password via the email associated with your account. And there you have it, you're now logged into your Turbotax account. You can now explore all the features available to help make filing your taxes as smooth and stress-free as possible. Remember to always log out of your account on shared or public computers to keep your personal information secure. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide made the login process seamless for you.